Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It's too soon. I know it's too soon, but we are going through this mini heat wave. Maybe it's not even a heat wave. It's 22 degrees today, March 31st. It was 20 degrees yesterday, and I know it's gonna drop down to 7 again this weekend. But I really want to make over my closet into spring mode. Am I gonna regret this? Maybe. I just need to put away my warm sweaters and bring out some more dresses. I have enough kind of like mid-weather clothing left so that I hopefully will be able to wear something. But anyways, that is what we're going to do today. I'm gonna take my winter clothing out of my closet and I'm gonna bring some spring clothing in. I think I'm gonna leave some kind of like, you know, in between season clothing. Yeah, I need less autumn and more spring. This dress can go. I don't think I'm gonna wear this anymore. I'm gonna go through, pull out everything that doesn't fit the season anymore, and then I'm gonna go through once again and see if there's anything I no longer need and might be able to get rid of. There's probably not going to be a lot because I do this very often nowadays, but still it's worth to go through. Definitely this one. This one as well. We'll be really excited to wear it again next year, but I think its time has run out this year. I'm gonna consider this a autumn winter item as well. I think this can stay. Definitely not gonna need this anytime soon. My Christmas dress, of course. Moving on to my drawers. Definitely all the fuzzy ones are gonna be too warm to wear now. So that's that one and this one. And this one. I think I'm gonna keep all of this in as well. This, my faux leather trousers. Those are fairly autumn winter as well. Alrighty, so that's my pile, I think. Alright, so here's everything that's going into storage for winter. A bunch of sweaters. Yes, if you're wondering how many cream light pink colored cowl neck sweaters a person needs. I agree, I have a lot of them, but these are actually my most worn winter items and I love them all, and they are all different enough that I feel like I can justify keeping them. 9 sweaters. 2 pairs of trousers, this fluffy hoodie, a thinner sweater but still too thick I think to wear now, 2 holiday dresses, and 2 just really warm thick autumn and winter dresses. So all of that is going into storage now. I freed up a bunch of hangers, which is great. So I think next I'm gonna take out my summer and spring clothes and see what the most wearable items are for now. The ones that aren't, you know, like shorts and things like that, because I don't think I'll be able to wear those, but maybe some dresses, and mostly just put this away and free up some space in my closet. I can use that. My summer clothing. Let's see what we have here that might be wearable already, such as this t-shirt. Here it is again, the cherry dress. You know what? I may, yes. I may sell this one. Looking at it again, I just don't see myself wearing this. Such a shame, but I think someone else will get a lot of wear out of this. It's going on a maybe pile. I'm making a maybe pile. Whew. And while I'm at it, we have another maybe pile candidate. It's this dress, a very light and airy, plain, simple black dress with this cutout in the front. Again, maybe pile. Not really my style anymore. This is all very summery stuff. I think I'm gonna hang on to that one and take it out. This is all my vacation wear. That's definitely not going in my closet yet. Who knows if we'll be able to go on holiday at all this year. Didn't get to use it last year, that's for sure. Oh, this one I can definitely put in my closet now. Could have worn that one today. It's the perfect weather for it. Here's another t-shirt that's going in. Is it though? Wait, let me reconsider this one. This is very plain. Do I still wear this? Do I want to wear this? Maybe I should keep a t-shirt like that for now. If I haven't worn it by the end of the season, it's going. Oh, my meadow dress. My linen meadow dress that I made last year. It's definitely too cold to wear this still. I think I'm gonna put that one back with the clothes that are too summery. I'm gonna put it on my vacation pile. Let's move that over here. There we go. Along with this one. This is a maybe. I think I can wear this with tights. It's a little jumpsuit, polka dot jumpsuit. I might be able to wear this soon. I think I'm gonna put that in my closet. This is a very short jumpsuit. No, I think that's too summery. As is this, definitely. And that one. Very summery vintage, true vintage floral dresses. Yep, this is all sleeveless, very, very summery stuff. Oh, yes! Oh, I'm so excited about this one. My green, moss green cottagecore dress. Oh, I can't wait to wear this one again. I've missed it. I would have worn this one today if I had had it out already. That one's definitely going in. So what do we have here? Little strappy top. Oh, this is one that I converted from a jumpsuit last year. That's too summery for now. I might wear this underneath something. So here I have shorts. I don't think I'm gonna be wearing those yet. I can add this pleated skirt to my current collection. So that one's going in, and this is definitely too summery of a dress. Alrighty, so that is the selection. There isn't much that's going in, but I think it looks like less is going in than came out, which is always good. Decided to put my winter and my much too summery clothing into this kind of underbed storage bag this year instead of another vacuum seal bag, because for some reason those vacuum seal bags always seem to be single use. They always tear or somehow inflate again throughout the half year that my clothing is stored. So I'm hoping this is a little bit more durable and it fits. So this is gonna go down into storage, and I had decided not to do my shoes yet because cold feet are horrible. Most of the shoes that I currently have out are kind of, you know, mid-season all year round shoes anyway, and it's still way too cold for flats. This is going into storage, and I'm saving the one vacuum seal bag that I do still have for my winter coats, but it's still also too early, maybe in a couple of weeks. Alrighty, everything that needs to come out is out, and everything that needs to go in is in. Ta-da! Can you tell I am leaning towards new colors? I have so much more green in my wardrobe now than I think I've ever had. I love green. I think green's gonna be my new color. I hope the weather doesn't turn too cold. I think the next couple of days it probably will. I'll probably regret doing this, but hey, I still have enough warmer stuff here that I can still wear. And besides, layers are fun, layers are great. So let me show you everything I am taking out and that's not going into storage. This dress, the one with the cutouts, I think it's time to say goodbye. I don't remember having worn it at all last year. Don't really like the shape of it too much. I might alter it, but probably just get rid of that. I am finally going to say goodbye to this cherry dress. I have plenty of vintage style dresses now that I do actually enjoy and like to wear. So that one I'm probably gonna sell someday, sometime. formal kind of evening gown type dress that should go down into storage. So that's coming. I think I wore it for a video and that's why it's in my closet, but it needs to go. A skirt that I need to alter because it used to have an elastic band in the back and now it doesn't. This used to be my mom's back in the 90s, I think. But yeah, I do really like this one, but I think I need to alter that. This top I need to, again, either alter or get rid of. And this dress is one that I have had since high school. And I have always thought it was a little bit revealing, but my body has changed a lot since then. Obviously, I'm no longer 17 and it is above knee length and I don't like having, you know, this deep of a v-neck and exposed knees. So this one is definitely going. So I even got to clear out some more clothing, which is great. There's a lot of room here now, much more room to spread out my dresses and everything. Let me show you the drawers. This top drawer here still holds some sweaters, some lighter ones, and my vests. And then this bottom drawer hasn't changed. I have my skirts here, my petticoat, and the hanger I use for steaming. Then this drawer has all my tops. It's a little bit emptier as well, but most of these are t-shirts. And this drawer has my pants. And all of these are still very wearable as well. I think I'm gonna do a second round towards summer, so probably sometime in June or July. So I think I'm gonna end the video here, guys. Thank you for joining me. I always really enjoyed doing this. Pleasant, laid back, relaxed clothing switch over videos, so I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for lots more beauty, lifestyle, fashion and sewing content. If you'd like to support me through Patreon or my merch store, there are links in the description box below. Thank you so much for your support. There is another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!